Every organization has information stored throughout the business in several different systems, making it difficult for users to find the right information to do their job. Information is stored in business applications, file systems, and other legacy applications full of valuable data, but often isolated from other business processes and systems. Connecting these information stores in the past has been difficult to do and even harder to maintain. With different data models and custom coding that is both complex and specialized. And migrating away from those legacy applications to new solutions is time-consuming, difficult, and costly, meaning that it's often beyond the reach of many organizations. At Nuxeo, we're changing the way enterprises get value from information, allowing you to solve your big content problems with a content services platform built for billions of documents, designed to work with any file type, and that allows you to connect multiple information stores. The bottom line is that you'll get more value and insight from the content and information already within your business. Nuxeo, modern solutions to your legacy challenges.